Hey everybody, and Happy New Year. This is coming to you on January 1st, 2025. So today we want to highlight an interesting stock that you all know quite well, and that is large cap technology value stock at this point in time, Micron Technology, or MU. So why are we talking about Micron today? It's a $84 a share stock. They've been around for quite a while, but this is a very interesting company. And this is, of course, a company that's into memory chips, storage devices, into PCs, automobiles, mobile, and, of course, data center technologies for their memory devices, memory chips. So they touch all of our lives, and they touch most of the companies, or a lot of the companies that we talk about and interact with in one way or another. And then, of course, in October of 2022, they announced they were going to invest $100 billion to build out their chip making in the United States. There's a lot going on with Micron. This is one of the preeminent players in the chip industry, and it's one of the world-class players, of course, in memory. And they work very closely with NVIDIA, Intel, Advanced Micro Devices, and many others. So this is a player, and it has sold off quite drastically here. Just in the last month of December, it had been trending downward since it hit its peak last summer, the summer of 2024, at nearly $157 a share. And now we find it in the $84 a share category, which sparks our interest. So they've got CHIPS Act money. They just announced an expansion of their Virginia facility to handle more memory chip making there. They've got a very ambitious project in Idaho, and then, of course, in New York State to dramatically create preeminent or premier semiconductor manufacturing in those locations for their products. So there's a lot going on with Micron Technology, and it presents a really compelling opportunity when the stock is sold off so dramatically. So let's take a little bit closer look at the fundamentals of the company and why the sell-off and why would now be a good time to buy. So Micron Technology, here's the fundamentals. Market cap about $94 billion. Price $84, down 14% in December alone, from a high of about $110 all the way down to $84. So a little bit more than $25 per share. This starts to hit the compelling and interesting story mark for me, and it should for you as well. And then again, the highs for Micron Technology were $157 in the summer of 2024, which is down nearly 50%. These are intriguing stories. The balance sheet is pretty strong. They've got great cash flow. Revenues are actually surging as well, and they've got a run rate of $29 billion over the last trailing 12 months. So that's actually fantastic numbers. Pays you a little bit of a dividend. So if you're looking for a tiny bit of income with this, or something to pay you while you wait, this is the company for that as well. So why the sell-off then in Micron Technology? Well, this AI darling, since they're working with all the right players in the data centers, mobile, automobiles, PCs, etc., with surging revenue, they actually announced just at their December 18th earnings call that their next quarter is going to be a bit off. It's still going to be a nice quarter, though. It's going to be down to about $7.9 billion versus an $8.98 billion revenue run rate that they projected before. So you got to sell off because of that. However, most of the analysts are saying this is a temporary slowdown as they go through an inventory adjustment period, and they don't see any of the spending really slowing down in 2025. It'll probably do a V-shaped rebound in its revenue surge, and that means that the time to get in on Micron Technology might be now, and that's why we're talking. So when you have analysts that predict the share price can go as high as $180, that's roughly $95, $100 higher than where it's at now for a preeminent player, which means we've got fantastic value that we're looking at right now with Micron Technology. For a company with a lot of staying power and expanding dramatically, this could be the right time to jump on and grab yourself a little bit of this preeminent player in the memory and technology space. I know I'm looking at it, and I'll probably be buying when the markets open up again after the new year. Hope this helps. Let me know what you're doing. If you have any thoughts, comments, questions, concerns. I like Micron Technology, and now's a great time to buy in on it. We'll talk with you all soon.